Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we have started Telugu consonants. It is named as Hallulu. First letter is that continuation letters are. First letter is P and next letter is Fa. దాని తర్వాత భ ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ భ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ మా. Ma. And next second line, first letter is ya. Ma and ya both looks like similar, but the first round is ma round is small when compared to ya round. And next is ra, next is la, and next letter is va, next is sha, she, sha, and last but one is sa, and last letter is ha. In Hindi, consonants, we have already started our consonants. In Hindi, we call it as Vyanjan. For here, the continuation of Vyanjan letters. The first letter is Pa, and next is Fa, and next is third letter is Ba, and next is Bha, next last is Ma. In the second line, ya, first letter is ya, next letter is ra, and next is third letter is la, fourth is va, and next is a she, and next is sha, and sa, and last is ha. In Malayalam, consonants are called as Vyanjan Akshararhal. First letter is pa, and next is pha, and next is b, and next is bha, and last is ma. And the next second line, first letter is ya, and next letter is ra, next is la, and next is ala. Next is za, and next is va. I have written here 2 times va. Next is she, and next is sha, and second line, first letter is sa, and next is ha. In Tamil, this is first vowels is named as uyir elithikal and consonants named as mei elithikal. The continuation of mei elithikal, first letter is I. First letter is I, and second is ir, and next is il, next is iv. And next is ill, next is ill, and next is ir, and next is in. Next language is Arabic, and the continuation of letters, first letter is ha, and next is hamza, and next is ya, last is ya. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Do subscribe my channel and share it to others who are really interested in learning different languages This will be very helpful to them. And keep practicing each letters, at least write each letters at least 20 times, that which can help you in learning, good learning. See you in the next video. Bye bye.